Polish beef soup with liver balls. A side dish from Poland. Serves 2. You will need 18 ingredients. Step 1. Combine liver, breadcrumbs, flour, eggs, parsley, 1 teaspoon salt, marjoram, mace, and garlic. Mix thoroughly. Let meatball mixture stand. Step 2. Rinse ribs and place in large stock pot. Add onions, celery, 4 teaspoons salt, pepper, water, carrots, tomatoes, and parsley. Cover and bring to a boil. Skim
Step
surface
3.
of soup. Remove
Simmer
meat,
for
bones,
1.5
and
hours
carrots from soup
or until meat is tender.
Cut meat and carrots into bite-sized pieces. Return to soup. Bring to a boil. Step 4. Shape meatball mixture into balls the size of golf balls. Drop into soup. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.